Well, here we go. We left the Shenandoah Valley. We left an epic camp location. Bunnies all around our tents. Beautiful s'mores. And the best time with best friends. If you missed any of that, you got to go back and watch last week's video. But we left that corner of Virginia and headed across the state to our friend's beautiful and epic property outside of Fredericksburg, Virginia. If you've watched our channel at all, or if you feel like going back, you may see some epic work week adventures here on this very property where we just go to town, cleaning up problems, taking down trees, having all sorts of fun. This time, though, we had headed here for a very different adventure. We had a concert to catch in Washington, D.C. on Saturday night. And so we pulled into their property on Thursday and had a couple days to hang out before we went to experience the city. So this is going to be a very different video than what you're used to, but still super fun. So we got the bus parked, we set the kids loose and let them chase chickens and do all sorts of fun things that they love to do. Come here, Goose, bring it here. Wow, he's got my neck. And they were in their glory. Chickens, ducks, they don't care. And then I actually asked my buddy Azam if I could jump on his mower and go knock down his field, because when we pulled in, I noticed it had been a while since he had taken care of business over there, and he was happy to oblige. So I hopped on the zero turn and went to work. This was super gratifying, super fun. There were hundreds, if not thousands, of grasshoppers who probably were devastated by all of my progress here. But it felt good to get this looking good again. You see, Preston found his way out to the field and jumped on the mower with me, so he got to experience it. I was very conscious of checking myself for ticks afterwards. If you saw that video a few weeks ago, I had a tick bite that took me out. So definitely staying on top of that and making sure that we are doing tick checks after all of our time out in nature. But this just felt good to clean up, to knock down. I guess when you live in the city, mowing a big field sounds like a good time. And it was. And I'm sure for Azam, it was fun to let someone else do it for a change. So I mowed until dinner, and then the perfect rainstorm rolled in. So we hung out on the back deck, listened to the water. Leo knows how to lounge like nobody else. And then somewhere in the blur of these few days, we even fit in a little trip to the ice cream shop, little Dairy Queen action. Everybody got their favorite thing. As I was putting this video together, I realized it was all just kind of a blur. We know how to pack in a few days with our best friends. And so it's hard to remember timelines and everything, but it definitely is enjoyable. We even had a coloring contest graded by the parents with miniature schoolies and motorcycles as part of the picture. Then Friday night, we set up a projector out on that back deck. let the kids watch a movie. That was super cool. Never mind the fact that Azam has a 90-inch television with surround sound in the basement. This was more fun because of the experience, I guess.
Some chicken bones and gravy.
And then this is just some shenanigans with the kids in the morning.
Do you want me to crack your toes, blanket monster?
Yeah.
Do you want me to? Oh, did you hear that?
Leo looks terrified.
Did you hear that?
Leo's like, no,
Why don't all your toes crack? I think you have some defective toes. We need to send them back to the factory so they can crack. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, he's biting.
Oh, blanket monster.
He does have his teeth out. Be careful.
I see that. It's hard over here to stay safe.
All right, well then somewhere in there, Azam's amazing mom, Mama Khan, showed up so that we could take off for the city. And so she watched the kids, and we headed north to Washington, D.C. to experience all that Washington, D.C. has to offer, and then also catch this epic and amazing concert. This concert was actually our kids' Christmas present from 2024. They chose experience over gifts, and so we finally were able to cash that in for them. And this concert is Ben Rector, opened up for by the national parks. But we thought if we're going to do it, let's batch it with a visit to D.C., which we have never been to Washington, D.C. as a family. We've been a couple different times for random things, but never had the Washington, D.C. experience. And frankly, we were there too short of a time to have the full Washington, D.C. experience. But this is our first stop. This is Gravely Point, where you can watch the planes take off and land at Reagan International Airport. This was awesome. It was hot on this day, but we just kept telling the kids it was a dig deep day. You got to dig deep. So that's what we were doing.
Must have just been a bad mow day. Dude, that picnic table's about to open up. Let's go take it. Hold on, this plane's coming in. We got to get this. Check this out. Holy cow. Holy moly.
So we hung out there for an hour or so, and then we went and found a place to park our vehicles to keep them safe, and set out to explore the city.
You need water?
Yeah, that's kind of the most
area we're
in the
going.
way we want to go. Okay.
We're headed.
We could do metro, but that's 15 minutes, and I'm like, let's just do 10 more minutes walking.
Let's do this.
Yeah, and plus we're going to be
Unless
over.
when you want them to have
Do
the
you want to do the
metro.
metro?
So we opted to do the metro and give our kids that experience. We also realized that the entire day was going to be walking, so limiting that in any way, shape, or form was definitely the smart play, because it was a dig deep day. So we enlisted the help of a nice worker to figure out how to buy metro passes.
Okay. Card is okay?
Card is fine.
All right.
Audio activated.
Okay, so you're gonna tap the small screen?
to purchase
So you're gonna tap your small screen.
Oh.
to purchase
How do we get that?
Oh, damn, you said you ain't got a small screen. Okay, I'm sorry.
That's all right. Yeah.
You want a purchase pass? Which pass? You want a 3-day unlimited pass? You want a 1-day unlimited pass?
Is there? Would it be cheaper if we're just doing it twice, like there and back, or would the unlimited be better?
Yeah, but you need one for each adult.
Right.
The kids are free.
Kids are free. Oh, okay. So $27. Do you want to just do unlimited then?
I would suggest you do a
Yeah,
1-day.
let's do that.
unlimited pass.
Yeah, we'll do that.
So you're gonna do that one.
All right, well, we found success, purchased our passes.
What's wrong?
Sorry about that.
It's all right. Here, we'll do what you just did. He'll help me with this. Can I help you? Did you buy anything else?
You're awesome.
Hit that.
Thank you so much.
Wait, now increase quantity. Yeah. All right, you have 2. Now press when done.
When should we get you an orange vest?
Now press C to complete transaction. Press and then press B. And then insert quick and out. No, right there.
All right, no more.
Just a word of advice from some tourists who don't know what we're talking about.
Right, tap it, and then a bunch of kids get ready to go.
Be careful with these doors.
Go.
All right,
That's good. Wait.
that's good. Sorry, it's just kids.
Open the gate. No, I don't want this. This gate hurts. Hold on. If it's just kids,
Sorry, dude.
that gate hurts. That's all. Y'all enjoy yourself.
All right,
Wow,
thanks.
are you okay? Oh, that shot fast, didn't it?
Who got hit? He's fine, isn't he? Is he okay? Is he good?
Anderson, you gotta stop doing that. Your family's moving at a faster speed. I know you enjoy it. What?
Just wait.
Here, next stop. There's all
3
this-
stops.
Three stops. 3 stops.
Yeah, we're on the right one.
We have everyone. Hey, kids.
Pretty
look here.
cool and
Smile.
very different way of life than what we are used to, but fun to give the kids this experience.
Yep, that would suck too. Not suck. That would be catastrophic. Okay, that's all we're doing. Hang on, Teddy.
We have 3 stops. We're getting off at...
Can you please do something? Because it can stop fast too, like for the next stop. So just hold on. Oh, it can, Mom. Hold your breath. For how long? Until you pass out?
You guys ever play concentration? Concentration.
No repeats. No.
All right, well, we found our way off the metro, back above ground, and first stop was a very late lunch, but we were here to experience authentic pho, which was a first for us. We've been really into ramen for the last year, so this was Azam and Candace showing us what authentic pho was all about.
Right, you're gonna stick me with August?
So Azam showed me the ropes. We got our orders placed. Something like $75 worth of pho and extra bowls so we could divvy it up among the kids. And they were pretty good sports. They liked it. They tried it. We crushed it. There were no leftovers. And we were pretty impressed.
What's been your favorite place you've been?
Well, we haven't really been anywhere yet, but we're about to go see the White House. I think that's pretty darn cool.
Yeah, so that will be like really cool.
I should put my sunglasses on.
Then it was time to see the Washington, D.C. sights.
I've been coming for years, and I just feel like something here is history. We don't have
Dude, that is so cool.
You'll do tomorrow.
Wow, dude.
See it
Unreal.
over there?
Yeah.
That's the big flagpole he just put up.
Oh, yeah.
There it is.
Jeez, under construction.
Look, the golden eagle.
Thank you, Miss Rover. Alright, Quinn.
This is close.
And of course, we did the obligatory family photo in front of the White House. But then we marched on to the Washington Monument. If you've never been up close and personal with this, it is quite a spectacle. Holy cow. I think the way Washington, D.C. is laid out is just amazing. I would love to have more time there, check it all out. We'll definitely make it happen sometime.
Are you trying to sell that guy something?
No, he'll give it to you and say it's free and then ask for a donation. And if you don't give him a donation, he'll say, give it back.
You're doing so good, Goose.
Don't take it in the first place.
Yeah, so whenever you're in a place like this,
Near August, starting to melt down, so it became time to really coach him up. But the girls were having a blast. What a great sight. And finally, we were under the massive Washington Monument.
So that's where Martin Luther King Jr. gave his speech, right in front of the reflective monument.
Wow, dude.
Yep. And then right here,
Okay, ready?
First we're gonna jump in. No, do this.
all right, scoot your butt so it looks like you're sitting on it.
No, Daddy, first we're doing jumping off. And
Oh.
I really don't understand this. Sitting, jumping, etc.
I can't get my butt all the way there. Oh wait, that's okay. Oh wow.
But I just did my best to participate and have fun with the kids. There's the Capitol building.
where's that music?
And then we decided we wanted to find some air conditioning, so we went to one of the many free museums. Overall, the kids were doing great. We had left the two smallest kids back home at our friend's house. and we had 7 of them in tow for this adventure. You don't see August, and if you wondered why, it's because it kind of started to look a lot like this just to survive. To his credit, he just laid there and let me carry him around. So this is the Museum of American History. We made a quick stop into here.
Hold that door, press, pull it open and hold it. It's
Come
heavy.
on.
It's heavy.
That's so cute.
This was a very cool display on the history of the flag.
I saw it. It says.
What's the best one? I like the second best. I like the first. Is the second one familiar? Yeah. Who's the kid? Remember? And then the baby
And then we made our way over to the Museum of Natural History, which was also super cool. Great air conditioning.
Oh, they've got the air bumping. Down, down, down.
Again, we'd love to do this with more time on our hands. We were really speed walking through all of these just to experience them, show the kids, but it was so busy, so packed, and we were pretty tight on time. We had to get down to the waterfront for a concert by 6 p.m.
Take it in.
It's the expedited tour.
Just remember it in your memory.
I have 5 minutes of footage left on my GoPro, and it sounds like we're gonna only need 4. What?
Pretty epic displays, though.
What?
They didn't like it either.
Remember?
What? This is the guy that was giving tours at the other.
No, it's the same family.
Oh, that's fun. Yeah.
Guys, we don't have time for this.
Our tour guide Azam rushing us along. See what you can, but keep moving. That was kind of the MO. And then we found our way back to the subway to head back to where our vehicles
Anyone
were
on
parked.
this side,
We
you
had
said,
dinner
going this direction?
stashed in
Wait,
the
those all
van.
say they're going that direction.
And so we thought, let's stop by the vehicle, grab our food, and we'll head to the venue for the concert that we came
Next
to
time,
Washington,
what?
D.C.
We'll put them all through the handicap thing.
Oh, and what we need to do is
We were still learning how to push our kids
Is this
through
G?
the metro system without getting blasted in the face by the plexiglass doors. We did
Dude,
finally
this is
figure it out
cute.
by the end.
I bet these are.
And we made the walk down to the waterfront
I would for like a year. Maybe without.
I would
for
see
the
it.
concert.
Oh, there we go.
Let's move it.
All these people walking. I wonder if everyone's going to Ben Record.
I know. They look like the same demographic.
Yeah.
Gavin, we're standing in line waiting to get into the venue. You're gonna need something to do. Bill?
Yeah, in Warrenton. That's cute.
One tree. Oh, that's. I would like the.
Oh, look, the double stairs. Oh, but it's a double unit too.
I like that. That's our security. That's a big.
Walking to the venue. Ben Rector with the National Parks. Let's go.
Yes! Ben Record.
Choo! find another
Yeah,
level.
isn't that cool how it goes up and down?
Come on,
There's so
Fallon.
much to see in Washington, D.C. We'd love to spend more time down in this
It's not
waterfront
working.
area.
It's gonna come up.
But we were short on time, so we just made the best of what we could do.
Don't go yet.
And someday in the future, we'll have to make our way back.
Is District Square really
No idea.
No, we're seeing them at a place called the Anthem.
I want to spend more time down here. This is adorable. No, honey, I'm not giving it to you. Very soon.
Oh, yeah. All right, walk. Go, go,
Riley,
go.
what are you doing?
She's taking a break. She's popping a squat.
You had it.
Let's go.
Put that in you, babe. I gotta tie my shoe.
Rolling deep. Look out, guys.
Obviously, the mist coming off this water on such a hot day was a welcome relief. Then we found our way down to the entrance to the venue. We were so confused as to why there was not a line. We later learned the line was stretching along the water for hundreds of feet, and we just didn't know it. But it all worked out. We still got great seats, still got a great place to stand, I should say. There were no seats in this venue.
Start lining up.
I don't know. It actually says enter here with the arrow, and there's nobody there.
Can you go up there? I'll take trash. Don't let it roll. Oh, National Park shirt. Yeah.
You're gonna see a lot of that, guys.
Yeah. I say we be the first one. Oh yeah, you pay?
We finally found where the line was and made our way to the back of it. It went on for quite a while, but it was no big deal.
How you guys doing waiting in line? You hanging in?
Yeah, they did. Okay.
Ben, let's go!
Oh my gosh.
Because
this is
eventually
gonna be
we made our
lit.
way in.
Let's go!
Absolutely great seats. Or should I say, a great place to stand.
Oh my gosh. Let's go!
We had been waiting for this since November of 2024 when we purchased the tickets. We were hyped.
Excuse me.
Yeah, she waited a long time.
The kids did great, waiting it out, and finally, it was showtime. And then it was the moment we had been waiting for a long time. All right, well, there are much videos all over the internet of Ben Rector and his awesome band doing their thing, so I will spare you. Here's just a bunch of clips that we wanted to remember when we watched this video back, so enjoy what you can, skip through the rest. But they put on an absolutely great show, and Ben Rector said this will be his last full band tour for a while. So the next couple of years he'll be doing some smaller scale stuff. So we were super excited to have this experience, share it with our kids. They loved every second of it. We were lifting them up, showing them the band, showing them the experience, and they were just having a blast with their best friends. In fact, watch this same video from a different angle.
When the rain comes, I'll be your shelter. When the wind blows, love will be together. When the storms they rise, I'll be right there by your side. I'll sing.
All right, and just like that, it was all over. The entire experience went way too fast, but it was epic, and we were so grateful to share it with our best friends. And then we just stayed tight and hiked our way out of the waterfront district and back to our parking. It was close to 11 p.m., but these kids were flying high and loving life, and it was just a great and awesome experience to share.
got it, Gooser? Dig deep. Yeah.
And somehow, just like that, our epic adventure to the beautiful state of Virginia had come to a close, and it was time to roll out and head home. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and we'll catch you on the next one.